Hello everybody, I got the brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in cream color with me, and I want to do a little unpacking. Here we go. Let's see, and here we got the phone. It's a Galaxy S23 Ultra in cream color. It's a really beautiful phone. It looks a lot like the S22 Ultra. Has some little design updates, but otherwise it doesn't look that much different. So let's see what's in the tiny box, what comes with it. We got a lot of nothing here, and we got USB-C cable, guarantee informations, quick start guide, and somewhere hidden here, the SIM ejector tool. I really like the feel of this boxy design, because I have rather big hands and it just fits well. We'll just make a quick check of the camera. So let's take a selfie. Now this is a sample of the portrait video, shooting at 4K. First impression actually quite good. So that was my unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I will hopefully soon upload a camera comparison between the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Both phones looking absolutely stunning. Let's see how both phones compare. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you want to see my unboxing of the Mate 50 Pro, click here. And if you want to see the Mate 50 Pro versus the Pixel 7 Pro video comparison, click up here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.